Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block pop-ups in the Microsoft Edge web browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon at the top right corner of the Microsoft Edge window here. Just left click on it. And you want to go down and select where it says Settings. Just go ahead and left click on that. On the left side, select Cookies and Site Permissions. And now on the right side, underneath All Permissions, you want to go down to Pop-ups and Redirects. Just go ahead and left click on that. You want to toggle that to the on position if you want to block it. And you can also set site exclusions to both allow and block depending on what your master setting is up here. So if you have it set to block all, you can set an allow exclusion to allow a specific site through. And conversely, if you disable the block, you can enable certain sites to be blocked with pop-ups. And just you enter in the website here and then select add. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.